Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. These are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have Magician, Four of Stars in reverse and Seven of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So today you are maybe going for that right action. You want clarity. Maybe in your work you have many choices in front of you and you are thinking about the choices and about the decision you need to make. You want a clear choice in your situation, guys, and the right choice. So you are thinking what needs to be done or what to decide or which way to go for you guys. And maybe you don't know what is the right thing to do. So there are a lot of confusion in your circumstances. You don't know what will be the right thing or what will work. So you are feeling very anxious and you feel that you would have done some mistakes maybe in the past. The previous mistakes are the reason for this present circumstance. So it may be your mistakes or someone else mistakes, guys. So it may be a situation even in your relationship. So you are simply brooding over the past. You don't know where things will go today and you are unable to take control of the situation and take a hold of this situation today, guys. But you are someone who has a lot of determination. So whatever you take up, it may be even in your work, whatever decisions you make, when you make up your mind, you never change. So you are simply waiting for that clarity you need today, guys, Virgos. So once you get that clarity, you are going to make that choice and stand by that choice no matter what. That is what you are. You are someone who has the skills and talents and perseverance. And maybe you will get clarity through your intuition. Your intuition may be helping you, or you are seeking help from someone. It may be from this person you love. Maybe you need help, or it may be your person's energy. They need help from you and they want your advice or guidance today to come out of this difficult situation. Maybe for some of you, I also see your intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, guys. And maybe for some reason you do not have your intuition working, or you do not have anyone suggesting you the right things. If you can still hold on, if you can wait for some more time, be patient, you are going to come out of this difficult circumstance you are seeing in your situation, guys, Virgos. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So it is Pope of Stars in reverse. So maybe this person you love, for if you have that deep faith on this person, if you totally believe them and you know they are honest towards you, trustworthy and reliable, you can trust them, guys. But if it is someone new and if you do not have that deep trust on this person, you need to be careful towards them, guys, because they are trying to dominate you in some things, to try and make use of you in some ways. So you need to be really careful, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 5 of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, you have great hopes for your future and your situation is aligning in such a way that you are seeing the signs, maybe signs of some positive changes, prosperity, abundance reaching you today, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you are putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you are you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So, the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So, this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.